This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for August 17th, 2023. It's currently June 26th, 2023, 7:39 p.m. Eastern Time. And the shuffle file we're about to play was created on June 16th, 2023 at 11:28 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a rally that offers an opportunity to open up a short position or protect long positions, exit long positions. So we see sort of like a rally at the beginning of the day and then a low at the end of the day. Behavior around the highest high, there'll be a breakout on a one-day scale. Behavior around the lowest low. It looks like there's a pop and drop near the low. Interesting. That is kind of playing out right here with the abundance card. So there's like a pop and drop around the low. And then I'm advised to trade around 3 pokes through the same price level followed by a sharp decline. When we look at the 1 month, we've got the fortune card here and we are lined up pretty well with the fortune card. There's a big move to the upside. It looks like we're declining in the pre-market. We either open lower and decline, or we open higher and decline into a lower kind of stance in relation to where we closed yesterday. So we decline in the pre-market and then there's opportunity in that decline. Probably right around the open, there's opportunity if you were to open up a long position for a quick scalp. There'd be a big move to the upside out of the open, a rally that increases with momentum moving forward in time to create a high for the day. And I would look to exit in the midst of that rally higher. So I would look to exit probably before 10 o'clock, before 11 o'clock at the latest. Between 10 and 11-ish, after that rally increasing with momentum moving into the high, there's a period of volatility. And in that period of volatility, there's a sharp drop that'll stand out. There's a trade opportunity in that sharp drop. We have a fake out of some sort. It looks like we falsely established support between 11 and 12, and there's actually a peak or crest and trade opportunity probably between 11:30 and 12, somewhere around there. There's a failed attempt to break through key resistance, followed by a decline through key support, again on resistance and support on a one-day scale. That decline through support, it's pretty notable. It's like a sideways fluctuating decline, taking us into our first low for the day, somewhere between 1 and 2. I'm leaning closer to 2, but out of that low, there's a significant move to the upside. This is where the pop and drop comes into place. We have a pop and drop. We push to the upside, make a new local high. So not a highest high, but a new local high after making new lows. We break through resistance momentarily with this pop and drop, and then we break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter. We break back down probably around the close. So we pop through this resistance, and that resistance is highlighted somewhere around the last 2 hours of trading. So we break through it and then we come back down and we decline back down to another low there at the end of the day where we're rotating sideways along key support. In the midst of that pop and drop, there's opportunity to open up a short position as well. You could close a short position here. You could close a short position here. And by here, I mean somewhere around 145 or towards the very end of the day. That short position could be opened somewhere around this pop and drop here between 2 and 3, or it could have been opened at the beginning of the day if you didn't go for this early morning scalp. Instead, you open up a short position there. I wouldn't go for both, and I'd probably go for the short position over the scalp, but there is an opportunity in there for a bullish scalp early in the morning. I'd go for bearish and hold the bearish position into this first low that we do just in the early afternoon session. And then it looks like we open higher or we're rallying in the open, and that open higher or that rally in the open offers opportunity again to open short position because there's a notable reversal on the 18th, and we'll talk about that in more detail in the next predictions. With that said, guys, that's the S&P 500 for August 17th. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button, and as always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. If you're interested in getting this information faster, or sooner I should say, you can check out our services, SO Meta Posts, on our website, Tarot for Traders. Check out early access, $29 a month, and all of this stuff comes out first on our website, sometimes over a month ahead of time. Sometimes it's just a few days. Most of the time it's a few weeks, somewhere in there, and it's one of our more popular services. But make sure to follow that rule of karma, guys. You do that here on the resources tab of our website, where we ask that you donate 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities and 5% of the profits back to the channel, leaving you with 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules when trading this information, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through all directions, especially this channel, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one.